Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to start a YouTube channel. So first things first, you just have to go to any web browser and then search for create a Gmail account or Google account. So you need to have your Google account or Gmail account because you will see that in one of the applications inside the YouTube. And all you have to do is to click that one, sign in, or create a YouTube account if you don't have it yet. So once you're logged into your YouTube account, then basically you should see that view channel right here. So in order for you to start a YouTube channel, create a YouTube account first, tap your profile at the top right corner, and then you should see this view channel right here. And as you can see, I don't have the YouTube logo and cover photo, and I don't have videos yet. So I strongly suggest to use Canva for adding YouTube banner and logo to your YouTube channel. Canva is a free editing tool. All you have to do is to go to any web browser, create Canva account, tap on this create a design right here. Basically, if you're looking for YouTube thumbnail or YouTube banner, you must know first the size or ratio and the dimension. Or you can also just search for YouTube banner right here or logo, and Canva will show you list of templates. So first, you need to know your niche, of course. You must know what kind of YouTube channel you're about to create. So if you're into gaming, you should look for templates about gaming. If it's tutorials, it's about cooking, then you can just basically go to design and search for something. For example, if it's all about graphic designing, you just have to search for graphic or designing. And then after that, download. For YouTube logo, you just have to search again YouTube logo right here. And then after that, it will show you this template. You can choose from any of the templates right here. And I strongly suggest if you're using Canva, please upgrade into Canva Pro so that you can see and select a different templates for your YouTube channel. So for example, this one, you can add elements, you can add pictures, you can add whatever you want here. You can search from there, elements, graphics, photos, everything is up to you. And you can also change the fonts, text, the background color, the font color. You can add effects and so on. Once you're okay with that, then you have to upload this to your YouTube channel. So once you have your YouTube banner and YouTube logo, you must think of a captivating YouTube channel name. You have to include it right here, and then once done, you can add description to your channel. You can also add a link or change the link right here after the tap on save or publish. Now way to go, you can now create or add upload videos right here. So basically that's how easy it is to start a YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.